This how you gonna be when we move?
Yes. What up, y'all? It's your boy Molly. We're back with some more content. Today we have a special item. That's the cover to the lens. That is loud. They up there. Anyways, I don't even know what to say. I'm holding this thing. As you can tell by the title, this is the Nanrobot D6 Plus. I've been looking at electric scooters like these for like at least 6+ months now. And not gonna lie, I would have never thought I'll be to have one. So this is very exciting to me. I'm just wondering how large this is.
Yeah. You know, I use a lot of them joints.
Yeah, you never have to read.
Crap, you gotta do.
Wow. All I see is the handlebars. And this is long.
Hurry! This motherfucker, hurry!
That's a chopstick.
Oh. Holy shit. Does it stand?
No,
You got it?
Stand down?
Kickstand.
Oh, it's supposed to stand
Yeah.
by the phone. Yeah.
Oh, fat boy,
Wow.
still got a little strength.
That is
This
crazy.
is so high. Where's the kickstand?
Oh no, this side.
That's what I do.
This thing is fucking beautiful. Guess what I'm getting? I'm getting me a scoop, bro. Yeah, that's just what I want, the speed. The speed on these are just ridiculous.
And
Yeah.
the thing that, too, a lot of times when you get scooters like this that cost this much and have all this speed, oh, you get all these extras. The suspension, the turning signals, the front lights. I love the key power one because it makes you feel like more of a actual car or motorcycle.
Yeah, this is sick. They
Okay.
gonna let you put this in here? This is pretty big.
I sent them a picture of that, but
And they were fine with it?
they said yeah, that's fine because if you even
Well,
said a
that's
bike.
not too far off.
To me, it's just it's a little higher. It's a tad bit longer, but besides that, yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, so the scooter comes with the fenders. This is like another little pump thing. It comes with a pump, which is good.
I love us.
That is very nice.
Sick left hand came back.
I don't know where you would mount the pump to,
What are you doing?
but it comes with a pump.
You're not touching your brother's stuff, right? Matter of fact, close his door back. Jamil's door.
Woo! The wheels are about as big as I expected them to be. The scooter alone is this thing is ridiculous.
It's pretty ridiculous.
It's just extremely high. This is way higher than I thought it would be. Like I knew it was set up high, but this is up high. Alright y'all, so I am back. My parents just left. And just finished unboxing this. I was doing a live stream on my gaming channel with my brother. So I was trying to hurry up and finish that. There was a new DLC on GTA 5 this summer 2020. So I was trying to hurry up and finish that. Our little all-in-one toolkit that I will be bringing with me, just in case I need it, and our charging cable. So it's just a plug, but I'm pretty sure the brick is in here. Oh man. Open this bitch up. I gotta hurry this up because I don't have to actually clock into work until like 7 o'clock. But usually if I take my kid scooter, you know, the scooter I started off with, usually with that, all I have to do is leave work about 6:40 and I'll be there by like 6:55 or something like that. And I can be clocking at 7. So I'm trying to hurry this up so I can have the scooter set up. I still want to turn the scooter on and see if it came with full battery. My brother's Go Tracks did. If y'all haven't saw that unboxing video, you can go ahead and check that out. It's probably the second newest video right after this one. But this is the all-in-one toolkit that it comes with. All different types of hex shapes. Shows you right there on the side. And then there's even more hex shapes right here. Ow, that just scratched the crap out of me. There's no, that's not more hex shapes. I don't know what that shape thing is. Oh, that's right. You put these on here. I'm pretty sure y'all know how that works. Some flats and stuff. And I didn't bring it up here, but I still have my old clicky screwdriver. Alright, y'all, so all that other shit I was recording, I'm gonna cut that off. I just tightened everything up, adjusted everything to my liking. This thing is fully charged. Like I knew, a lot of these extra electronics always come fully charged. I adjusted the light up though. Everything's looking nice. This scooter is ridiculous. This thing is ridiculous. Okay, so here's my other accessories. My JB I did the unboxing of. My mom wanted me to wear this. She's gonna get us helmets soon so we don't die or get hit by a car. This is the lock that goes onto your brakes, so I'm gonna unbox these very soon. And this is the main lock, the U-lock. This thing's nice and girthy and heavy. So I'm trying to hurry this up because not only do I still have to go to work in about an hour, my brother, he got let off from work early because managers acting like fucking weirdos. And shit, so we want to take a quick cruise. I'm gonna cruise around in gear 1 so I can keep up to his speed and because I don't die. So here's the lock. I didn't know this would have a rubbery feel. I'm not sure if it being a little loose like that is bad or not, but we're gonna roll with it for now. So these are the lock keys, and then just, of course, stick it in there. You spin it whichever way, and then bam, it unlocks. And you of course wrap it whatever fits. So if you want to wrap it around the fork or the green things, whatever you want to call them, or if you want to wrap it around the stem, you know how it goes. And then you wrap this around the bottom of here into your scooter. So if you want it to scooter or bike, so if you want, whenever you're unlocking it, if you just left the store or whatever, you can just connect it back to your bike. So put this back on for now. I will be taking this with me to work because I probably will be able to see him, but just in case I can't, if some bitch ass nigga try to run off with my shit, it's gonna be locked up. And then this, shit, I don't really think I have anything to open this because these scissors will not do the job. But yeah, I'll open this in a minute. I'm just trying to hurry up. And then this, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use this because I'm gonna lock this up in the break room. So I'll put this shit back in the box for now, and I'm just gonna keep this out, and I'll open this in a minute. So let's get back to the scooter. So I'm gonna repeat the features of the scooter and everything. This is a 2,000 watt, 1,000 in front, 1,000 in the back, all-wheel drive scooter. This is my first time having an electric scooter, so like I said, I will not be going no crazy full speed because I'm gonna be too scared to even do that. I adjusted everything, so everything's nice and tight into my fitting. I've scooted the brakes and the trigger closer for my semi-small big hands. I don't know if I have big hands or not. It does have battery, so if you turn it on, you have to turn this on your own, or I think you have to hold it. Yeah, there we go. I don't know how to change the motor or anything, so this is not going to be, none of my unboxings and reviews are ever detailed because I don't know what I'm doing. But everything was powered up. I'm on eco mode, single motor, and gear 1 because I'm not about to start off on gear 3. I'm going to fly and die off the scooter. Here's this loud ass horn. We have to turn the lights on first. The lights are extremely bright, so I'm gonna be seeing 2 front lights in the back, which is perfect because this scooter sits way higher than I actually thought it did in person. Like I knew it sat up high, but this thing sits up high. So the back lights are very well visible. Front lights are very bright. I was wondering what the blue light is. I didn't realize that there's a blue ring around it. You probably can't see it because the GoPro won't focus. I don't think the GoPro can focus. So that's that. It makes this high-pitched noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear it. But I don't really care. That's not gonna bother me. That's the voltage, battery. We are fully charged. High, low, all that. I don't know how to change kilometers to miles per hour, so I'll figure that out in a minute. Let's just turn it off. I forgot how much watt hours and everything this battery is. I just know they proclaim 40 miles per hour. Some people, 2 people on YouTube that I saw said they got up to 43, and they're way heavier than me. One dude was 180 pounds. The other guy, I don't know his weight, but I know for a fact he was heavier than me, seeing that I'm at like 109, 110. So this thing is going to take me to the moon if I fuck up. One thing I will say that I just like personally is, when on the website it shows that the motor has these like little chrome accents all on here and on this outline part right here. I wanted to spray paint the outline black. I don't know if I could spray paint the inner right here black, but I was gonna do the outline, but it turns out these come with the black hubs and the black outer line. So what I want to do is I want to spray paint the green forks, whatever you call it. I want to spray paint them black because I want to black this thing out as much as possible. So from what I know of, that is that. So there's the black lock and everything. I already explained that. This thing is huge. Like, look at this thing. This is the Nanrobot D6 Plus, and an old school, old fashioned electric scooter, the Super Turbo Elite 1000. When I first got this thing from OfferUp, I thought this thing was huge. This thing is huge. Look at that deck. The deck is wide as fuck. Okay, my brother Jamil, he's on my Nanrobot D6. He's about to go full speed and pass this. I just went full speed, and I think I went full speed. I think I was like 3 or 4 miles per hour slower. I think he's about to go. I'm in ultra ride mode right now, and he's zooming. It's like something hit the ground. What was that?